Today we're going to be changing out the reverse light on our 1992 Chevy Corvette. What you'll need for this is some bulbs, which are 1156 bulbs. And we bought these. We'll put a link in the description for you. Okay, let's get started. First thing you have to do is we already took the screws out. Just remove your license plate. Okay, now behind your license plate, over here, you can see where my finger is. There's your light right there. And there's a little knob you have to press down in order to twist it out. So this knob right here, you have to press down on that or you'll never get it out and you'll break it. So, all right, and then just twist and pull it out. So I put some gloves on so I don't touch the bulb. They say it diminishes the lifespan of your bulb, so put some gloves on before you put your bulb back in. You see those channels right there? There's one channel there and one channel there. You're gonna slide that in there like that. And twist. All right, let's put it back in. You hear it snap? Once it snaps, you know it's in. And now we'll give it a try. And that is how you change out your reverse light bulb on your 1992 Chevy Corvette. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.